Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aquarius, and this reading will resonate for your sun, moon, rising, and Venus signs, guys. Aquarius. So, these are for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards. We have 10 of Suns in reverse, 7 of Moons, and 3 of Stars. In your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you had a lot of plans, maybe plans for future, plans in your work, but whatever you think and plan, you must see whether it will work out for you guys practically. So there may be some difficulties, something may not add up. So you need to be really careful. Simply dreaming about your future is not going to help you today, guys. You must make a concrete plan, something that will work and something that will take shape for your future. So maybe in your work regarding something, some important decisions today, you are planning something and you need to think with clarity whether it will work for you guys, work in the right way you expect. So you have to think clearly, then make those plans today, Aquarius, because there are a lot of obstacles in your circumstances. And if you have people you can trust, people who have honest intentions towards you in your work, you may take their help, guys, because these people are giving you valuable suggestions what you need to do. So they are here to help you and guide you. So if they are advising you on certain things, you must listen to them, guys. That may help you come out of some difficult circumstance you are seeing in your life, guys, Aquarius. And this person is helping you to avoid some difficulty, maybe even in your relationship. So you may have your friends or family, someone you can trust, someone you can speak to openly about your circumstances. So maybe you are seeing some challenges in this relationship, maybe between you and this person you love. You may have some arguments or some stressful circumstances. Whatever it is, guys, maybe you are even fearing that this person may leave you and you don't want to tell them anything. That is the reason you are being really silent, being patient, because you don't want to argue with them and push them into some difficult circumstance so that they are leaving you today. So you have some fears. Maybe you need to talk to someone who's really close to you, maybe a friend or a family member, about this relationship, about what you truly feel about this person you love. So for your relationship, we picked one card, 3 of Spheres in reverse. So maybe this person and yourself, you are quite immature, making some immature choices, But if you can hold on, wait patiently, your circumstances are going to resolve, guys. And if you truly want a change in this relationship, change in the way things are going, you will change it. You will know what you need to do today, Aquarius. So that answer is right in your heart. If you truly love this person and if you want this relationship to work, you will know what changes you need to make in your circumstances, guys, Aquarius. So for your career situation, we have two of suns in reverse. So maybe there may be some obstacles you are seeing in your work, some delays, maybe some suspensions, maybe. But whatever you do or whatever you decide, you must think out of the box. Maybe old way of thinking or doing things is not going to help you today. So you must think differently and act wisely. That is going to take you out of the difficulty you are seeing in your work situation, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Dawn the Golden Hat, duty. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your life, you are someone really responsible and you are a very wise and a very charming person, and you have certain things you need to do today. Maybe it may be in your work or in your relationship, and you are dedicated to whatever you do. But people around you, they may not realize your worth, they may not understand you, but the way you are responsible, or your dedication itself will be recognized very soon, guys. And patience is what is needed. Maybe you find yourself in a difficult circumstance, unable to be responsible, and circumstances may be challenging you, but patience is what will work for you, guys. And there is a time of recognition coming and you will surely be rewarded. And maybe for this love you have on someone, you are doing things, facing a lot of challenges and going out of the way and helping that person. Maybe they may not realize your worth, they may not realize your help right now, but true love will find its time, guys. So surely this person will understand you. Maybe even if it is not true love, you will get that true love in your life. Maybe with this person you may not feel that fulfillment and contentment. Maybe for some of you, you will this relationship, maybe if you have that true love on this person, even they will reciprocate that true love, guys, and that time is coming very soon. But for some of you, if you are single, if you are expecting a new person, true love is finding you, and that is that is a definite thing, guys, because you are someone who is responsible and who has that sense of duty, and all your good actions will always be rewarded no matter what, guys, what the circumstances will be. So that um, recognition, the time of recognition and success is coming to you very soon, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Celestite. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, angels or spirit guides are here to help you and support you, and they are here to help you connect with people. Maybe you are shunning away from relationship, maybe and you are just feeling scared, or you are not ready to face some challenges today. But these spirits or angel spirits or spirit guides are helping you, guiding you today, guys. And maybe there will be these spirit guides are coming in the form of perfect guides or friends who are helping you to heal from the past or whatever difficulty you are having. And you need not isolate yourself, you just need to stretch out to that friendship you are seeing today. Maybe some strangers or some people may come out of the way, ready to guide you in certain things, help you out, and you need to understand that these people are people sent by the universe or spirit guides, and they are here to help you and guide you in some way in your relationship, to enhance your relationship. And maybe if you want a true change, or if you want a help from the universe or this crystal spirit, you can just pray within your hearts, guys. Pray towards that spirit, asking for help and guidance, and that way you will have that answer, or some kind of an intuition will be guiding you. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.